Can diabetics use Apple Vision Pro? Diabetic retinopathy is a complex condition that involves the progressive damage to the blood vessels in the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. This damage can occur due to long-term uncontrolled diabetes, leading to a variety of visual symptoms and potential vision loss. When considering the use of the Apple Vision Pro in individuals with diabetic retinopathy, it is essential to delve deeper into the potential effects on eye blood vessels and understand how they may influence the progression of the condition. 1. Blood flow and oxygen supply. The prolonged use of visual devices such as the Apple Vision Pro can impact blood flow and oxygen supply to the retina. In diabetic retinopathy, the blood vessels may already be compromised, making them more susceptible to further damage. The immersive nature of the Apple Vision Pro may lead to increased ocular blood flow demands, potentially affecting the delicate balance of blood circulation in the retina. Insufficient blood flow and inadequate oxygen levels can contribute to the progression of diabetic retinopathy, as the damaged blood vessels struggle to supply the retina with the necessary nutrients and oxygen. 2. Vascular integrity. The intense visual experience provided by the Apple Vision Pro, with its high-resolution displays and immersive features, may stimulate the eye blood vessels. This stimulation could potentially lead to changes in the integrity of these vessels. In diabetic retinopathy, the blood vessels are already weakened, and any additional stress on them could increase the risk of vessel leakage, hemorrhages, or the formation of abnormal blood vessels. It is crucial for individuals with diabetic retinopathy to consider the impact of increased vessel stimulation and discuss it with their healthcare provider to determine if such stimulation may have adverse effects on their eye health. 3. Retinal ischemia. In severe cases of diabetic retinopathy, the damage to the blood vessels can result in retinal ischemia, which is a reduced blood supply to the retina. This ischemia further contributes to the progression of the condition and can lead to the formation of abnormal blood vessels as the retina attempts to compensate for the inadequate blood flow. The use of visual devices like the Apple Vision Pro, which may affect blood flow to the retina, should be approached with caution in individuals with diabetic retinopathy to prevent exacerbation of retinal ischemia. 4. Macular edema. Another complication of diabetic retinopathy is macular edema, which is the accumulation of fluid in the central part of the retina called the macula. Macular edema can cause significant vision loss and distortion. It is important to consider the impact of visual devices on macular edema, as prolonged usage may potentially worsen fluid accumulation due to increased metabolic demands and strain on the compromised blood vessels. Considering these intricate connections between the use of the Apple Vision Pro and the blood vessels in individuals with diabetic retinopathy, it is crucial for individuals to consult their healthcare providers, specifically ophthalmologists who specialize in retinal disorders. These professionals can assess the severity of the condition, evaluate the overall health of the eye blood vessels, and provide personalized guidance regarding the potential impact of using visual devices like the Apple Vision Pro. They can also monitor the progression of diabetic retinopathy and make recommendations on managing the condition while considering the use of advanced visual devices. By taking these factors into account, individuals with diabetic retinopathy can make informed decisions about incorporating the Apple Vision Pro into their lives, ensuring that they prioritize the health of their eye blood vessels and overall visual well-being. It is essential to continue routine eye checkups, follow the recommendations of healthcare providers, use the device responsibly with appropriate breaks, and manage blood sugar levels effectively to minimize the potential adverse effects on the delicate blood vessels in the eyes.